Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. So, today's video is all about foreign nationals and why they are here in my country, South Africa. What are they doing here? Are they here for the right purpose, or are they just here to commit havoc? So, in South Africa, we have a whole lot of foreigners. Millions of them are here from West Africa, North Africa, other parts of Southern Africa. They are here. Now, the reason why they are here is because things are not working out in their country, so now they come here. There's no jobs in their country, the infrastructure is messed up, everything is just bad, there's poverty and everything. That's why they come here. Okay? They come here to seek asylum and for a better life. As you guys all know in other countries, because surely it is happening in your country as well. So now they come here. But they don't come here for the right reason, for the right purpose. They come here to come and commit crime. Sorry for stuttering, guys. Okay, this is like a podcast type video. Okay, sorry for stuttering. They come here to commit crime. They come here to sell drugs. They come here to murder people. They come here to open corner shops, corner stores. Okay, to sell drugs at the back. And I've made a video about this before. Okay, these guys are not here to do the right thing. They came here to come steal our jobs as well. That's why there is no jobs for us as South Africans. There's no jobs for us here because of these guys. These guys are cheap labor. A foreign national is cheap labor. They will work for this little, okay, this little, and we won't do it. We as locals, we will never do it because that is paying us under the belt. That's why we will never do it. So now they come here as cheap labor. The bosses of those companies employ these people, these foreign nationals, because they know they don't have to pay tax or UIF or do any deductions from their salaries. So now they employ foreign nationals. And these foreign nationals, they will work overtime for this little bit of money. Okay? Which is ridiculous. There are foreign nationals that are working on farms here in South Africa for less than 20 US dollars a month. And I'm not kidding to you guys, it was on TV. I'm not telling you guys a word of a lie. Less than 20 US dollars a month. Okay. And I've seen this a program about it a few years ago. Years ago. Okay. Zimbabweans that are here, that's working on farms. Okay. Now, you as a local, you will never work for less than 20 US dollars a month. Never in your right mind will you do it. Because what are you going to eat? How are you going to support your family? But these guys will do it, and we won't do it, we as locals. And these guys, they also use our women and turn them into prostitutions. That is what these guys are doing, these Nigerians and all these guys from West Africa. They buy abandoned buildings, then they start brothels. They start brothels. As payment, they give these females drugs, heroin, and all of these things. And it's not just happening in South Africa, it's happening all over the world. It's because, you know what? The border, our border is compromised. Our border is compromised. These guys, they come over, okay? They come over, then they pay the border control. They give them money in hand. Here, take this. Let us through. Then they come illegally here because, you know what? They paid a border official. Okay. So these guys are getting away with murder actually, and it's not right. And it's like, as I said before, it's happening all over the world. It's happening. Okay, the country that we once fought for is going down the toilet for our freedom. It's going down the toilet. When the white man ruled, it was 10 times better. 10 times better. There were there were jobs. The borders were closed. There were there were less crimes, and the prisons, it wasn't full as it is now. The prisons here in South Africa is overpopulated. Overpopulated. Because of, it's not just us South Africans that is in prison. It's foreign nationals also from different other African countries that are in prison. Okay. They are putting strain on the justice system. They are putting strain on the justice system. Our tax money is going for these people. And it costs hundreds on hundreds, if not thousands per day. Okay. To feed a prisoner, to keep a prisoner in jail. It costs thousands. Instead of deporting these people back to their country, they keep them in our jail, in our prisons. So we must pay for them, which is unfair. Okay. So these things, guys, I didn't want to make this video, but you have to, because if you don't speak about it, nobody else will. Nobody else will. Okay, it's not right. Okay, so if you guys think that this video was informative, please like this video, please subscribe to the channel, please share this video, and please comment, okay, below if all of these things that I've just said, if it's happening in your country as well. Okay, that's all that I want to say, guys, and have a blessed Saturday, and peace.